Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and today we're standing in a very cool little apartment. 323 by 26 Morningside Drive has all the basics covered. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living, north facing patio, and of course the secure off-street car park. But what I really like about this apartment is that it's built over 2 levels. The typical apartment layout has everybody on top of each other and there's nowhere really to escape. Here with the 2 levels it's easy to get away, and as a bonus you have a bathroom on each floor. The location is fantastic, and this central spot is only 5 minutes from Kingsland and all the cafes, restaurants and bars you could wish for. Close to transport links with the railway and bus routes nearby, and of course you're only a few hundred metres from St Lukes. You won't even need to use the car. If you're looking for the apartment lifestyle that's just that little bit different, come along on the weekend to the open homes. We look forward to seeing you there.